Yeah man, you know it's your boy Daniel back again with the next video. Yeah, Mandeville town again, you see it. So hopefully we find some new artists we feature today, cause you know it's a thing well shot, you see it? Yeah man, so I just circle around again and see what go on the streets, cause you know what say, yeah, we're out here, search for talent, you see it? Yeah man, so Daniel out nice street, that's it. Good? So introduce yourself.
I don't know, sir. Current 6 no, Current 6 official upon YouTube, Current 6 official upon Instagram, Current 6 Viva upon YouTube.
The next big artist, so introduce yourself now, sir.
I go on Muzzle, you see me, Muzzle.
Muzzle?
You want that original Muzzle, you know?
Yeah, man. Introduce yourself now, sir.
Yeah man, I don't know, say a new age Mandeville side, you see me?
New age?
Yeah man, big up on yourself, you see?
So introduce yourself now, sir.
I don't know, say Antidote man.
Antidote?
Yeah.
The next artist, so introduce yourself now.
Caption my name, man.
Caption?
Yeah, man.
Tell me the IG now.
Caption fans account, cause my official account get locked down like last week. Yeah, man. And you can check me out on YouTube too. Caption Vivo.
Caption Vivo.
Yeah, man. KAPSSION.
So introduce yourself.
Scalawa, aka Scalawa.
Scalawa?
Yeah.
You have an Instagram or account?
No, me not do Instagram and them something, me not post up yet, but man up and running, you see me? See.
Introduce yourself, the big artist.
You don't know, say a vehicle this, you know.
Vehicle?
Vehicle it is.
You have an Instagram?
Instagram, you know, say a vehicle D underscore. No, vehicle underscore D underscore Jenna.
Jenna?
Yeah, Jenna it is.
Alright, we are drop a big here, just give you a little freestyle pan, you see it?
Alright, yeah.
Yeah man.
Tell them, man, also let me living at the street. Me have to also feed the 2 ends meet. If me not do it, then oh me eat. Me want to get rich cause poverty no sweet. So me take on the road and me know me have to do it. And me nanga me till the job complete, dog. The rent dated due this week. I'm a light, I'm a water, 10 grand a piece. So me have to also with me muscle left. I evil for mix up some cement with a shovel. Now see me I eagle me nah get no trouble. Yo a money man I also come pat it off a bubble. And I know from what the man I pray I feel make a big link and show off couple K. Want a new Benz button press no key. Successful life you what that man I pray. And when that link about man I go rich me not like one couple business down in a Dubai. Real estate thing that me woulda try. And every weekend first class me want fly. So if you don't see me on the road, me locking like exclusive, a big money popping. Money me say, so me don't want no machine. Cause me now make them see me lifeless in and no caffeine. Tell them, man now so I'm living at the street, man.
Living at the street, but oh wait. What's that? Also for the 2 ends meet. Hey. No say that in the street, you see it. Good. Alright, so we are drop a big gear, just give you a freestyle and you see it?
Yeah. So me say smoking weed, yeah? Smoking weed. I say me smoking weed, just by the trees. Smoking weed put my mind at ease. Smoking weed, just by the trees. Smoking weed put my mind at ease. The weed it give me a good meditation, give me a good penetration. Babylon don't know the vibration, and them still carry me go a station. Me say smoking weed, just by the trees. Smoking weed put my mind at ease. Smoking weed, just by the trees. Smoking weed put my mind at ease. Soft like a cotton, say no seed it no rotten. No whole heap of long leaf make me brains hotten. We send it go Manhattan, them come here come shopping. To all the smart me call me Manhattan. And them a sitting happen when we a bust Latin. The girl them a jump on a skin out say I know nothing. All one time and them belly start fatting to the weed we a smoke. Soft like a cotton, me say smoking weed, just by the trees. Smoking weed put my mind at ease. Smoking weed, just by the trees. Smoking weed put my mind at ease. The weed it give me a good penetration, give me a good meditation. Babylon don't know the vibration, and them still carry me go a station. Me say smoking weed, just by the trees. Smoking weed put my mind at ease. Smoking weed, just by the trees. Smoking weed put my mind at ease. Yeah.
Boy. You know say Daniel out in the streets again, you see it? Good. Alright, so we are drop a big gear. I just give you a thing for you, see it?
Yeah, man. Alright then. Remember me tell them me friend, no time for them money me want fi spend. So me open my book and lift up a pen. Lyrics load up pages like the taxi. Them you a caption me name and me know it a 50 levels. When me dep and can't go dep and I see as we flow through my brain and it's in my vein man. Yeah. Alright then, I feel militant and me stay strong. The amount of them I want see me face down, but me stay strapped now, make them put me underground. Bad mind no want me get me income. I feel make me mama proud, so me start stack up the money. Start up the drive, now no time to do no running. Watch the haters them rise, but yeah.
I say that. Alright, good piece more, good piece more.
Alright then, yeah. Alright then, yeah. Man a hunt for the cheddar like say me a the mice. Millions of years so me make mama nice. Look round me neck and I see a beer ice. Me now watch bad mind, make them go and criticize. Know how much of them never want to sing your voice, but me do what me a do and just make them go and eyes. I go hustle for the money till it no further than rice. I mean not stop try till me see me dream right.
Bad man. You know, so we always nice streets, that's it. Good. Alright, so we are give a beat, you just give a freestyle song, anything.
100%. 100%. Alright, listen to me now. Yo, Daniel. Of course, me trust people. Me trust them, you know. Me trust them to feel me. Why you think me keep myself to myself? Me no want them near me. Of course, me trust people. Me trust them, you know. Me trust them to feel me. Yo, why you think me keep myself to myself? Alright then, miss me. Me no want no friend from them. Me no want no friend from any means. Yo, I fi make the money right now. I fi make it by any means. Step in at the streets, I'm a clean, never dirty yet. Y'all tell me say, new wage you a make me sweat.
What? That was that Daniel in the streets. Oh, my muscle back again, you see. Alright, so we are drop a beat gear. You give me a little song for it, you know?
Yeah, man. Same way, me G. Yeah, man. Turn it. When time did nice, When time did nice, happy times, them times they gone. Every man for themself, you know. Them not share the food on the table. You coulda really catch me off dead. Nobody no care again. Nobody no care again. Good heart no dear, my friend. That's why this world a end. Put an end to it. To the fight and the mentally. Them a kill joy, them a real colic. Me no trust friend, prefer harmony. Could me shoes them, but me walk on it. Member did messy, now a Mbappe. Thugs them tough, real diamond. Keep positive, bring your back, we now fly one. Happy times, them times are gone. Every man for themself, you know. Them not share the food on the table. You coulda really catch me off dead. Nobody no care again. Nobody no care again. Good heart no dear, my friend. That's why this world a end. Could the kids on the road them tell me how me fi ignore them? Cause me know man is a chosen Lion of Judah, physical ruler. No boy can't school man. Better cool yourself, use coolant. Vibrant, thank God me have life. Keep my strength at the most I provide. Happy times, them times are gone. Every man for themself, you know. Them not share the food on the table. You coulda really catch me off dead. Nobody no care again. Nobody no care again. Good heart no dear, my friend. That's why this world a end.
But you know what say I'm muzzy in the streets, you see? I tell them, good heart no. Yeah man, respect, you see it. And so we give a beat, you just drop a freestyle and give you see it?
Run it.
Alright.
I don't know a thing going on. Zen?
Tell them say we hot like the tigers for the taxi. Them come fi take with them oxygen. Wet them up, we not talk about no baptism. Left them body stiff like when a cock resume. No macrism, I boot them like a phone. Delete them soul, let's take out processing. Copper make them skin like makeup. You go claim and patch your skill. Them out a head back when me can see it and I step for watch my bill. Had the girl them love a gynecologist in Mandeville. Some boys say them a shooter. Only got shooting at them hand me gill. Damn me ill, hand me drill. Them stomach tongueless language in my core like fat like pan the gill. Promising like my pandy bill. Circle them like orange skin. As so big like a mackerel tin. And done them like the jams. Like the jams I do the sandwich in car. Me got no.
What? No, say that ain't nice street, you see it? Oh, We are gonna drop a big gear, go freestyle on it, that's it?
Yeah. Use the match up the line, the panic grind. Lock down in the office, car, brother for fine. Money enough, yard, never decline. Girl, if you want, get me money, fi shine. Did I briefly bleach out, but me melanin nice. Now your bitch see the money and I go and like she nice. Use money, make money, you what that make me smell. Been brought me, been rich, choose rich every time. Money up, them a say fi turn up in the fast lane. So tell it run a hurry up, fresh clocks, white tees. We not in a dirty shirt in the market streets. Every road we taking on. Be a fat rider, foot nigga push it aliyah. Roll like president, we not. Alright, man, I make money, spend, invest money. Want make $1 million a day and bless for me. Is it?
Yeah, say that.
Yeah, man, I can just
Alright.
subscribe, man. I just move to this. That's it. Instagram, man, Antidote M4. Stay pray. Antidote Vivo. That's it.
Alright, respect, that's it. Yeah, man. Cut. Yeah, peeps, so that's the end of our next successful video. Stay tuned, watch, subscribe. Yeah, man, comment down below, tell me if you like the video. See, yeah, man, yeah, comment, beat the take out with a little mix. So, yeah, man, respect, love. Oh,
Hey. But them know this now. Me I go for where me want nobody tell me some I can't do it. Upward tiling at night, yeah me not sleep. In the day me have to hustle, yeah me da street. I also feed the paper and talk about the cartridge. One day, me know some I want reach. Get there, work hard, that level them I want reach. So if you know, a hard work me go and preach. Me show me I gon' make it like a sun when you garbage. Hustle for the money, cause my money no enough yet. Me want the money no for than for Warren Buffett. Me not turn no fish like vent and a chum bucket. So me pick up my phone, me have to walk it. Badness was the thing one time, but you on the camera.
alright.